Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on this video I bring you a very simple recipe of how you can make a cucumber salad at home. It's so simple guys, and the final result is delicious. I hope you like this recipe and I hope you try it out. So let's go over the ingredients. I'll be using 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 lemon, an avocado, and a half-piece cucumber. So I start off by giving you a simple hack here. When placing the chopping board, first place 2 serviettes on the surface, like that, or a kitchen towel, and then sprinkle some water over them. And now place the chopping board. It holds it in place and it doesn't move when cutting the vegetables. And after that is done, I'm going to get into the cutting of my vegetables. I start off by cutting my onion. And then I'm going to transfer them to a small bowl and then add vinegar so that to remove the acidity from the onions, because onions are usually bitter. So I'm just going to add the onions into the bowl with white vinegar and then mix it up well and then set it aside as I prepare the other veggies. Next, I start by cutting the cucumber into smaller pieces. You can cut them into any shape that you like, but this is my favorite one. Cut the other piece as well. And then transfer these pieces to a larger bowl. Next, I will start back by cutting the tomatoes, and I'm just going to cut into the same shape that I cut the cucumber. But of course, you can explore and cut into even other shapes that you like, but this is my favorite one because it's so simple. And then I'm just going to add the tomatoes into the bowl. Then next, I'm just going to cut the avocado into 2. Just hoping that the avocado is not spoiled. Yeah, and it's perfect. So I'm just going to remove the seed and then cut the avocado into smaller pieces also. And then I'm just going to add the avocados into the bowl. So I'm just going to clean the onions from the vinegar. You can see the vinegar has discolored. That means that the onions are ready now. Actually, they are not bitter. I'm just going to strain out the excess vinegar and then add the onions into the other veggies, and then I'm just going to give this a very good mix. But before then, I'm going to cut the lemon, squeeze out the juice, and then add the juice into the veggies. You can add fresh coriander if you have it. It makes even the salad better and tastier. I did not have coriander at hand, so that's why I did not add it here, but you can add it. So next I'm just going to give it a very good mix, just like that, and then garnish with a little chia seeds, and it's ready, guys. This salad is the real deal. It's perfect for pilau, for nyama choma, anything. It goes so well with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so, and I will see you on the next video.